Good morning, fourth grade. We are so close to Christmas break. This week is going to be a little bit different. You are going to be completing your CBAs. You're going to have reading tomorrow, writing on Wednesday, and math on Thursday. So for my class for the next 2 days, all you're going to do is your CBA. So today there is a review for the reading and the writing on the assignment and video page for you to do. And I want you to make sure that you are doing these CBAs by yourself, that your parents are not helping you. Some of you, that if you use Cami, it will read it to you, and that is okay for the questions and the answers. But far as like helping you work through those questions, I really need you working through that by yourself. It'll be, like I said, it's gonna be a little bit different than last time. Last time we did it online and if somebody had to watch you and all that stuff. But this time we're not going to do that. We're just going to do it ourselves, and I trust that you can complete that all by yourself. So today you're going to do the reviews, and then Thursday and Friday we'll have some little assignments to practice before we go out for Christmas break. So I hope you have a good day. If you have any questions or anything goes wrong, give me a call so that I can help you out.